In this course, you will learn about performance tires, gaining an understanding on the different categories and their benefits. Performance tires come in two different categories: HP, which stands for High Performance All-Season Tires, and UHP, which stands for Ultra High Performance Summer Tires. The majority of HP and UHP tires use asymmetrical tread designs, as you can see here. The HP tire is designed to be more responsive in handling than regular all-season tires. They give good traction because of the extra grooves and acceptable durability, with many having run-flat capabilities. They are ideal for consumers who want to have fun from time to time, but still want the all-season traction. UHP tires are built and designed for performance and grip. More contact with the road gives these tires extremely responsive handling. This is strictly a summer tire. UHP tires give the best wet-dry compromise of any tire category, combined with some of the shortest stopping distances, and many have run-flat capabilities as well. Many models are designed for specific vehicle original equipment requirements, which are called homologations. These tires will have a specific marking on the sidewall to identify them. They are suitable and required for vehicles with performance attributes. Some popular examples of high-performance all-season tires are: some popular examples of ultra-high-performance summer tires are: often, similar vehicles, even those of the same series, will perform at their best with either HP or UHP tires. For instance, both of these vehicles are 2018 BMW 3 Series, but they are very different from one another. The one on the left is a 320i. It comes with high-performance all-season run-flat tires, whereas the M3 on the right comes with ultra-high-performance summer tires with staggered fitment, wider tires on the rear. When picking performance tires, it's important to base the tire choice on the specific vehicle and its requirements, not just on dimensions. As a reminder, tire requirements would be found on the vehicle placard. The majority of performance tires use asymmetrical tread design. Asymmetrical treads are a highly evolved concept and design, built to maximize efficiency. They have two very different sides, each with its own unique attributes. The exterior portion is designed with stiffer elements to help with lateral forces generated when cornering, while the interior portion is designed for water channeling. Unlike directional tires, asymmetric tires have no indication for rotation direction, but they do have markings on the sidewall for interior and exterior that have to be respected when mounting on a vehicle. The fitting of asymmetric tires is quite specific and often misunderstood. It's important to note that once installed on a vehicle, it's normal that the two tires are not mounted in the same direction, and therefore the tracks on the ground will be different. This is not abnormal. The tires are designed to work this way so long as the interior and exterior markings on the sidewall are respected. An asymmetrical tread design will provide drivers with great stability and handling due to the performance-oriented compound they are built with. It also gives the best wet-dry compromise, provides lots of contact with the ground, and is the quietest tread design, making it ideal for powerful vehicles. UTQG is the Uniform Tire Quality Grading and is used to grade some very important attributes for summer and all-season tires. The tread wear is the speed at which a tire wears. The higher the tread wear number, the more durable the tire will be. Typically, UHP tires have a lower tread wear number due to the performance-oriented compound used in their construction. It is important to note that tread wear is a ratio, not a mileage guarantee. Traction is the tire's grip on wet pavement in a straight line braking exercise. Traction is represented by letters. The higher the letter, the better the traction and braking distance. AA is the best grade a tire can have, and C is the entry level. A majority of UHP tires come with the AA traction rating. Temperature is the tire's resistance to heat and its capabilities to dissipate heat. Similar to traction, temperature is represented by a letter. With the higher the letter, the better the tire is at resisting and dissipating heat. All UHP tires have an A temperature rating. The UTQG rating is only applicable if the vehicle's tires are properly inflated. The tires are used under normal conditions, and the load and performance rating for the specific vehicle has been respected. The UTQG is not comparable between different tire manufacturers. It's only comparable between different models of the same brand. Many performance tires have run-flat capabilities. Run-flats are tires that are capable of driving without air, even in the result of a puncture. The run-flat tire is capable of supporting a vehicle's full weight because of its specially designed sidewall that has a reinforced construction to prevent it from collapsing like a normal tire would without air. They are only designed to operate with little to no air over a certain distance, at a specific maximum speed. The standard is 80 kilometers per hour for 80 kilometers. Vehicles that come with original equipment run-flat tires do not come with a spare tire, jack, or tools to deal with a flat tire. So it's important to keep this in mind when replacing tires on a vehicle that had run-flats as original equipment. These vehicles also have suspensions that were developed and calibrated for run-flat technology to ensure the best possible driving experience. Once a run-flat tire has run on 15 pounds of air or less, the tire has now become compromised, and it cannot be reinflated or repaired, and must be replaced after inspection. Run-flat tires can be identified by the run-flat marking found on the sidewall of the tire. Each manufacturer has its own unique marking. Some examples are: what are the advantages of run-flat tires? The driver is able to keep control of the vehicle during a high-speed blowout, especially to a front wheel. Avoiding having to stop in a dangerous place or situation allows you to continue on your journey safely. The safety benefits of run-flat tires are so great that the disadvantages become insignificant in comparison. Always replace run-flat tires with another set of run-flat tires on vehicles fitted with these tires as original equipment, regardless of if they are summer or winter tires. Most high-end vehicle manufacturers will partner with a tire manufacturer in order to develop homologated tires that bring out the vehicle's best attributes. The construction, size, and tread design have very specific characteristics for each brand and model. For example, in order to obtain BMW's homologation symbol of a star, a tire manufacturer must comply with the dimensions, performance ratings, and load indexes specified by BMW engineers. These tires differ from standard tires due to their reinforced radial structures and harder sidewalls, which will prevent the tires from deforming at high speed, giving the driver a feeling of stability and grip on the road. Homologation symbols are found on the sidewall of a tire and show which manufacturer's vehicles the tires are built for. MO for Mercedes, NA for Porsche, the star for BMW. In this case, the tire has the star for BMW, the RSC for run-flat, and the MO extended for Mercedes run-flat, meaning this tire covers both vehicle types. Remember, tire performance is always a compromise. A regular all-season touring tire has well-balanced attributes and does a little bit of everything well. A UHP tire specializes in high-speed handling, wet traction, and braking. When a tire is specifically designed for certain benefits, that means others may be diminished. In the case of UHP tires, they sacrifice some of the benefits like tread wear, comfort, and rolling resistance that are found on a standard tire. In order to offer the right tire for the vehicle and its owner, it is paramount that we search by vehicle application, year, make, and model, and not by tire size alone. This is true of all tires, no matter the season.